Okay, so there's a flag there, there's a flag over there, and there's a flag somewhere at the back of the LZ there. The yellow team have to capture all the flags.
But they just gotta, if we shoot the flag rings, what happens then?
They have to drop the flag. They have to drop the flag and go back.
So for this second game of the day, our team had 3 flags. We planted them in the LZ and we had to defend them. The opposition had to set their 3 flags and bring them over and plant them at our flags to capture the points. Once all 3 points were captured, that would be the end of the game. So we put our flags in the LZ and set up ready to defend them.
They're close, they're getting close. Heads down.
I've seen the 3 behind us aren't the last one.
What, the ones out in the open of the field?
Yep.
Possibly, but what they'll probably do is stand there till they know what's happening. Contact! I think some of our guys are on the ridge. That's ours.
Is it?
Yeah.
We're allowed on the ridge, are we?
Yep, we're allowed anywhere in the whole place.
Alright.
Only the flags have to be within the LZ. Hit! Hit!
So a massive charge there from the yellows into the LZ, pretty much the whole team going in at once. They got in and behind that front position that myself and the group of people I was with was holding, and they killed us off. Most of the team though, most of the yellow team did get killed by the rest of the red team that was holding back further back in the LZ. But not all of them did, and eventually they managed to get a flag over.
He's going for a run, he's going for a run. He got it in, that's 1 flag down.
Well, after that, I respawned and got back into the fight.
What are we doing now?
Shooting yellows. Right.
So the yellows were in the LZ and we were on both sides. We were up on the hill and we were down on the track flanking them, and I decided, well, I'll run down the middle and shoot at them. I was thinking at the bare minimum it'll cause a bit of a distraction, maybe some of our team would get some sort of upper hand on the yellows, and also I might be able to take a couple of them out. I did that once and I thought I'll do it one more time.
Nobody knows. Get him. There's only one of them, I think.
Some of the yellows had entered the ridge along the side of the LZ from the north side, so I joined a couple more people and we went onto the south side to push up to see if we can keep them back. We needed to keep them away from the LZ as much as possible to try and defend that last flag. So the guy to my right got hit, but I didn't know where from because I didn't think there was anybody directly ahead of us. So I had to try and find out where he got hit from and see if I could take them out.
Hit! Oh, nice one, mate. Nothing came out the second and first shot. Nothing? Yeah. I think I got you on the last one. Hey! I've pushed us back to this point here. They've found 2 of the flags, but one of them is still unaccounted for. I have no idea where it is, and they don't know where it is either. There's a lot of action on the ridge on the other side of the LZ, and I've respawned and come back as much across the soil flats as I can without wading through water. I can see reds pushing along this line up in front of me, which is good. Means I probably could have just walked along there as well, but never mind.
Still snark about this.
Well, we have managed to take the LZ back, finally. Far corner. Guys, dead ahead, far corner. Well, we did quite well to, we've took the LZ back. They've taken 2 of the flags. You can see the yellow one there, and the blue one there. There is another one which I'm not going to point to in case they don't know where it is. It's in those hay bales over there. So we just need to defend this area now and we'll see what happens. Hasn't been firing very well. Nothing. 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 1.
So as you can see there, I was having some gun problems. It turns out some of my shells are not really working very well anymore. So what I did is I stepped to one side, had a look, see if I could fix my gun, and what I did then, it was right towards the end of the game, so I just filmed to the last charge.
So we lost the LZ, the yellows charged in, but the reds are pushing hard. Game over.
So for that one, the yellow team got the first flag very quickly and the second one quite soon after, and then the red and the yellow team took control of the LZ backwards and forwards throughout the game. Now, despite being right next to the third flag, I don't think the yellow team actually realised it was there for some of it, and also they lost their flag that they had to plant on it, and they had to go retrieve that and bring it back. Oh my. And the game actually ended up going on a lot further than I thought it was going to after those first two flags fell. So it was a good fun game. Really enjoyed it. So I went back to see if I could sort out my gun, probably switch back to my P90 for the next part. But that's all for part 2. Thank you very much for watching. If you've enjoyed the episode, remember to give it a like. Any thoughts, ideas, comments, pop them down there in the comment section below. But for now, that's the end of part 2, and I'll see you in part 3.